In this video, we're going to do a washer method problem where we're revolving the region around the y-axis. So up here we've got the formula that we'll use. And remember, when we're going around the y-axis, our bounds are going to be values on the y-axis. And so it says, find the volume of the solid generated by revolving the region bounded by y equals x squared, y equals 0, and x equals 3 about the y-axis. So let's draw what's going on. So if we have y equals x squared, we know that's just a parabola. Y equals 0 is the x-axis, and x equals 3 would be the vertical line with x value 3. Now, if x equals 3, then y equals x squared. This intersects at, if we plug 3 in for x, it'd be 3, 9. So we've got this region, and we're going to rotate it around the y-axis. Now, our region goes from y equals 0 up to y equals 9. So our limits of integration are going to be from 0 to 9. We have this pi out in front, which I'm just going to go ahead and pull out in front of the integral because we always can do that. Now, notice we want both of our outer radius and our inner radius to be in terms of y. And if we think about spinning this, we're going to get a shape like this over here. And if we draw a cross section, our outer radius goes to this vertical line, x equals 3, so 3 is just our formula there, so we're going to have 3 squared minus, and then our inner radius is the y equals x squared. Well, we need to solve for x to get it in terms of y, so we're going to take the square root of both sides, and we'd have the square root of y equals x. So we're going to have the square root of y squared dy. Now, this becomes a really simple integral. This is going to be the same thing as pi from 0 to 9 of 9 minus y dy. So if you integrate that, you end up getting 81 over 2. So our final answer is 81 pi over 2.